Life has changed for the original owners of this 2005 built lake home, and they have decided it's time for new owners. You will hope that is you when you see what this home and its location have to offer. Nicely laid out with a first floor bedroom, bath, laundry and open kitchen, living, and dining. The second floor has 2 bedrooms, a bathroom, and a closet big enough to sleep in. Off one of the upstairs bedrooms is a covered porch with roll-down screening. As you walk up you will notice the wraparound farm porch. This is a great place to enjoy the view, which is in so many directions. The home is set on a point Stockholm. This affords an unbelievable range of lake views. Nearly all directions. Take a look at the sunset photos. In addition to all the amenities you would expect in a quality, modern built home, there is a whole home backup generator and central air conditioning as well. Offered fully furnished with the exception of personal effects and a few